Nsoromma wo se yes right Adom TV ye ne wazo ye ntine ya aboabo mmofra no mmofra mfie 8 years to 13 years osmo bomma nkwala because looking at their age and I think they do I say my country na dey bia make I will say e bia na wo favorite ne kwa no onim live band onim live band bo say yenina stage yenye life dey bia o ye mentio wo sesen san da koni aka chance ye se anyesi fom wazi ase ye training nkwala no na da che omo nyina omo performance no aye top notch but before that no san nkwala ma me ye hia wo say ye grow na nkwala no omo challenge me mo challenge me say me who am voice without looking at them say come on why do they call me nkwala mame for a reason watch this game this challenge ya ba Nsoromma
Sister Sandy
Asida Sister Sandy Bernardo why you changing your voice
Sister Sandy
Star boy you want to change your voice
Sister Sandy
come again
Sister Sandy
come again
Sister Sandy
again
Sister Sandy
Titi you don't change your voice next
Sister Sandy
come again
Sister Sandy
Little Angel
Sister Sandy
Nani
Sister Sandy
come again
Sister Sandy
Titi
Sister Sandy.
oh I wait for camera stop changing your voice over there who is that
Sandy
come again
Sister Sandy
Emily
Sister Sandy
come again
Sister Sandy
hey don't change your voice
Sister Sandy
huh
Sister Sandy
come again
Sister Sandy
hey I'm not recognizing this voice too
Sister Sandy
Penasi
Sister Sandy
Emily
Sister Sandy
Emily
Sister Sandy
hey come again
Sister Sandy
Emily who is doing Sister Sandy
Sister Sandy
I'm Kalario. Mube kume, mube and that was a beautiful one with the kids. I mean, this is the side of Nsoromma ya na mu hu a efe. Nti na nkwala na yi omukofia na omusunu. Games aye be chill up season. Oh, osmo bomma nkwala mame. There's a Ghana for title no man fan tomeka. There's a more man the guys. More man Ghana entertainment prefer. That for the most nkwala mame. Ah, mo nkwala me hwe mani ma mitimi chemo. Ah, nkwala I got 9 names out of 11. It's nipa 2 pen na me hu omudi nyehwe. Titi nso afrim. Oh. Ehwesa ne enura yakọ ye enura ne sane ewie ye no. Na ese Titi o se kroma ba ya na ese we evicted. Sounds na go mo afeta Beyonce. Blessing O. One don nua Blessing O on there's oba. Competition ni nua timi di seke on the way ntimi enru ho. Go mo afete. Mo ampa nka mo to aba ne pan. E ba ne sane mama ye bless afrim. Enura nkwale we sugu ha. Oh! Meba mu sugu wate.